to this channel. If you don't know who I am, my name is Celin, and today I have this beautiful makeup look. Very simple, very summery. So before starting this video, don't forget to subscribe, give a thumbs up, and let's get started. To start off with my makeup look, I'm going to use the Maybelline Master Prime by Face Studio. It is a Blur and Pore Minimize Primer in the number 400, as it is a clear primer, and I like that because I have oily skin, so it goes really perfect for my skin. So I'm just going to first apply it on my T-zone and then bring the rest of the primer to the rest of my face. So it's nice. It is super hot today. I'm going to use this floral toner, which it says that it can be used AM and PM. Oh my god. I feel like I took a shower right now. I forgot to mention, guys, the foundation, but I'm going to use the Covergirl Clean Fresh Skin Milk in the number 560. Medium. It is a dewy finish foundation. I did a review, so I'll leave the link down below, but I really love this foundation, especially right now for summer. It leaves your, like it says, your skin super dewy and fresh, and oh my god, I really love this foundation. I really recommend it, but go and check out the review if you want to see that video. I was thinking right now that I didn't think of if I wanted to do first the eyes and then the face, but we'll do the face first. And for my eyebrows, I'm going to use the NYX Fill and Fluff in the color black. I know you're not supposed to use black for your eyebrows, but my eyebrows are really dark. They're black. So I've tried to use a espresso, like dark brown, and it is still too light for my eyebrows. And the only brand that I have used, and it is a brown color, which I don't remember if it's how it was the actual name of it, but it was the Ardell. But I went the second time to purchase the Ardell eyebrow pencil, and right here at CVS next to my house, but they didn't have it anymore. I'm getting better and better at doing my eyebrows again after months and months. Seriously, I'm not exaggerating. Wait, February, March, April, May, June. Oh my god, 4 months without doing my eyebrows. Well, I did like here and then, as you guys saw in my vlogs. But yeah, like you lose practice and then it's like starting all over again. The transition colors I'm going to use are the cake batter and the chocolate syrup. I always use the cake batter if I'm just going to do my eyes or do a simple look. It's a really cute color. So I'm going to use more of the cake batter color to make it lighter, because the chocolate syrup was making the transition color too dark. And for concealer, I'm going to use this 16-hour Camo Concealer from e.l.f. And if you want to cover everything that you need to cover, really try this one if you haven't tried it out, because it really gives you a full coverage, but you just need just a little bit. On this eye, I feel like I put too much. So we're going to do this good crease very small and just on the lid. Nothing crazy. But we want the color that we're going to apply to be very bright. So that's why we're doing this cut crease. And just applying the concealer right here on my lid. Color that we're going to use for this cut crease is the Banana Date right here from the same palette, the Tarte white, is it Tarte? I was gonna say Tarte, Too Faced white chocolate bar again, and just remove the excess. So the color didn't work, so I'm going to, yeah, I like this one better. Yeah, definitely. So the color didn't work, the one that I mentioned you guys before. So I'm using now the color Glaze. Tap it in and just be patient. when you do the cut crease, and I hope it is going to work with this concealer, because it is the first time I'm doing this. To work with the Maybelline concealer as an eye primer, to be honest, I was doubting if it was going to work, because it is the first time I'm doing a cut crease with the Maybelline, and it is kind of working, but I'm really, it's hard. Remember, it also depends what kind of type of lid you have, if it's oily, if it's normal, if it's dry. So not all the concealers are going to work for your eyelid, so be very careful for that, and from there you're gonna have the makeup that you want, of course. Just gonna remove any fallout from the face. Rímel voy a utilizar este de L'Oreal que dice que tiene colágeno. La verdad no me gustó mucho, pero es como que es como cualquier otro rímel, no tiene mucho un wow, pero bueno, hoy voy a utilizar este. And the mascara I'm going to use today is this mascara from L'Oreal that it has collagen. It's not one of my favorites, but I keep using it and it doesn't really bother me, but it's not like a wow mascara that I would purchase again, to be honest with you guys. So I'm just going to do my my eyelashes, and then from there we're going to continue with the face. And to contour my face, I'm going to use the Parquet Princess palette in the color Princess Cut, as always, and just contour my face. And we're gonna start working this contour and just blending this out. And remember, take your time, as you take more of your time, the same as the eyes. The contour is going to look pretty and really set on your face, not just like powder like that. It's too harsh. So really be patient and really work this on your skin. The blush I'm going to use is the e.l.f. palette. It is broken, so I don't even remember. It's kind of old, as you can see, but I really love this palette. Just have some color on your cheeks, bring it a little bit on your nose, a little bit over here. Again, I'm going to apply some facial mist. Well, it is a toner before the highlight on the face. Have some glow on my face. I'm going to use the Urban Decay Afterglow, and what color should I use? In the color Cliche. Just tap this in, and the nose right here. Again, just to set everything. And I like to tap with your beauty blender, your sponge, to mix the contour, the blush, and the highlight. For the lips, I'm going to use the NYX Intense Butter Gloss called Tres Leches. It's a creamy lip gloss. Oh, I didn't know that. Okay. So that's it for this video. I hope you guys enjoy this makeup tutorial. I really love how the lid turned out, especially we had to make some changes, but I hope you guys enjoyed it. Again, don't forget to subscribe, give a thumbs up, click the notification bell, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Bye guys.
Just start over.
Everybody's working today. What's going on?
You'll be fine. Put the palette this way.
I.
Hi.